Hi, hello there. So today we are studying the articles a, and the, and also when not to use the article. So first we are going to start with the singular article, okay? A or an. As you know, we write a before a consonant and an before a vowel. Now when to use a and an? When the word that we are referring to is singular, okay? Super easy. So this is a computer. This is a piece of furniture. This is a television. Give me an orange. Okay, this is pretty basic. Now, we also use a or an, and this is something that you usually make a mistake. It's when you are referring to jobs. Okay, when you say, for example, what's your job? What do you work as? You say, I am a nurse, or I am an actor, or I am a film director, or I am a teacher. Okay, so you always need the a and article. All right, and now you also have the. Okay, the. We use the when there is only one thing of that object. For example, when you look to the sky and you have this yellow round thing, that is the sun, right? You don't say sun or suns because there's only one. Just like the moon, you say the moon, the sun, because there's only one, right? So that's the, only one of that. So when there is only one object to refer to, we use the. And we also use the when we have already mentioned something. For example, imagine you are in a room where there are 3 different doors to exit, okay? And you say, close the first 2 doors and leave the 3rd door open, okay? And now after a while you say, oh, can you close the door? You don't say close the 3rd door, you just say close the door. Why? Because there is only one open, right? So as you have already mentioned the door, you use the. This is pretty logical. I mean, when you are, for example, you say, we are going to a party tomorrow, okay? And now you go to the party, the next day you speak about it and you say, the party was great. You don't say the party we went to tomorrow yesterday. I mean, you just say the party because everybody knows the party you are talking about. Okay, so we use that to refer to something specific. So the thumb rule here, remember, thumb rule is a rule we always must follow, is that we use an for something specific in singular and that we haven't spoken about before, and we use the when we refer to something that we have already spoken about. Okay, and now I'm seeing myself in the camera. I'm like very pale, right? I need to take some sun. Maybe we are all going to become zombies or something. All right, now the last thing we're going to see is because sometimes you don't need articles, okay? You don't write a, an, or the, you write nothing, okay? That is the case of plurals. For example, when you say something in general, a general plural of, like, for example, people, okay? You already know, because remember in the writing you make this a lot of times. You say the people. No, not really, it's people. Or the children. Children, okay? So whenever you have something general and plural, you don't need an article. You just don't need a, an, or the, or nothing at all. You just say the thing you're referring to, okay? Now this also applies to uncountable nouns. For example, when you refer to things that you cannot count with your fingers, okay? Like, for example, water. You can say, the planet is running out of water. You don't say the planet is running out of the water. What water? The water in general, so it's just water, okay? Or for example, when you say, give me something uncountable, like, for example, wine. All right, now wine, you say wine is one of the most favorite drinks in Italy. You don't say the wine, because if you say the wine, which wine? Okay, which wine are you referring to? You just say wine, like something in general, okay, because it's uncountable, it's a drink. Wine, All right. So to remember it, it's just like it's just like the examples of children and people, general. Okay. It doesn't matter if it's singular or plural. It's just that it's general. So if it's general plural, we don't need articles. If it's general uncountable, like for example wine, water, news, something like that, you don't need articles. Okay. We just say the word straight ahead. Great. So I hope you guys are doing fine. See you soon. Goodbye.